In this video, I'm going to walk through how you can make ultra realistic photographic images inside of Leonardo AI. One of the challenges of using Leonardo AI is that there's so many different features inside of Leonardo that it can sometimes be overwhelming. You've got this huge feed here in the middle. You've got a bunch of buttons here at the top. You've got a bunch of buttons along the left-hand side. And then you've got these featured guides. You've got these community creations. It can be a bit overwhelming. So if you want to create photorealistic images, here's how you do it. Once you've logged into Leonardo AI, you're going to click on this image creation button right here in the middle. Now you're going to get to your main page. And from here, you want to click on this flow state button. It's right here. That's going to change to a completely different little room in the house inside of Leonardo AI. Now I'm going to type in my prompt, old woman sitting in a chair reading a book. Now it's important on the left-hand side to change the vibe. The vibe is like a filter. When I click on vibe, you're going to see a bunch of different vibes here. And what you want to click on is something that's got the word photo in it. So for example, pro photo, street photo, stock photo, or it could be long exposure. So I'm going to pick stock photo, for example, and then you can pick the different lighting. If you don't want to pick something specific, just leave it as automatic. The shot type, you can also have that changed, but I'm going to leave it as automatic. And the color theme, if you'd like to specify that, you can do so as well. I'm going to leave all three as automatic. I'm going to pick my image dimensions as 2:3 in my ratio. And then from there, I'm going to click the generate button. And very quickly, we can see we get a whole bunch of old women sitting in chairs reading books, different angles, different lighting. So if you don't have a strong preference about the style, simply going to stock photo is a good way to start. You can always tweak it later on. Now, if you're happy with the way the image looks, you simply select it, and then you can click the Save to Library or the Download Image button. I'm going to click the Download Image, and we can see here it's going to be a JPEG image that I'm going to save. It does cost credits to create these images inside of Flow State. And you can see your credits when you just go back to the main menu. You'll see here I've got 23 credits left out of 150. So this is not a cheap option when you do the photorealistic images. All of those cost 1 credit. And I only ran this a couple times today. It's going to be about 50 credits. So what you can do though, because they're free, is just come back every day. You get 150 free credits every day. And you can also pick from the community creations as well. So for example, if you like this picture, what you can do is click on it and you can see the prompt detail. It's a huge prompt and you can just copy the prompt and then you could create a similar image in your feed going forward. I hope you found this quick walkthrough helpful. I love using Leonardo AI. It's really fun and there's lots of things to do in here like this. Check out this video. Thanks a lot for watching.